Just to inform you about a crash course that we're holding for MBA CET 2026. It will be held online. It's also held at Classroom and Thane, either of two. So it will be conducted by me. I'll be one of the main faculty. I scored 100. I ranked one three times in MBA CET. So fairly comfortable with cracking the exam. You will get individual attention and guidance because there are few number of students which we can guide and provide you attention in terms of giving feedback on mocks, helping with the strategy. Course will be conducted both online as well as classroom in Thane. So if you're purely online, if you're not staying in Thane or around, you can attend online sessions or the classroom sessions. The individual feedback will be given on Zoom to guide you further. The course, there is two parts to the course, three parts as a matter. The first part is 30 hours of syllabus. So we first have to complete the syllabus in short. Basically, you try to get the fundamentals right. This will also involve methods tricks that will help you to solve quickly. The second hour will be 12 hours of workshop. The focus is revision of whatever shortcut methods that have been taught you in the syllabus. And then there are additional practice sessions that will happen. So these are the three stages of it. So course is conducted by me and Roshan. You have option of buying videos and mocks for the course. I advise you to take mocks quickly and give you feedback on the mocks and accordingly guide you. We have more than 150 students who have passed from Bajaj class, and there are quite a few people who score a 99.99 percentile. So you can go to prep.patrick100.com to enroll, or you can WhatsApp us at 9821314788 or email support@coinacademy.com. Hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help with regards to CET. If you're writing the CET or any MBA entrance exam, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.